It's not that far. 0.4 miles. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go for a hike. All right. This is the way we go, looks like.
Reminds me of the movie.
Come on, Becky.
Huh?
Come on, Becky.
Oh,
This looks like it. A little wet.
yeah. That's what probably made them leave. Reminds me of the movie. The Secret Garden.
The Secret
When
Garden.
you walk through there, you can't tell the opening. Then you go, she finds a place you can go through, and that opens up like.
Where all that bug spray we put on,
It's getting washed off.
getting washed off with the wet grass.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I know.
So far so good. It's a little thick.
Yeah.
So we're doing good.
But it's not bad.
No, it's not steep. It's not
Not yet.
a little downhill.
Which means it'll be a little uphill, but not steep.
Do have a little obstacle here. Climb over. How we doing, Becky?
Doing great, yeah.
All right, let's keep going.
Another adventure.
Yeah. Hiking down to a secluded beach. Would say the name, but we try to keep some things a secret. Locals, we like to keep these nice secluded beaches a secret. It's the only thing we got left. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna pause for now.